Okay, so um, Riley Journal entry 5. Riley makes it. Riley arrives in Playcar. Riley is chosen. Riley adjusts to a transformation. Riley survives. Oh, because they divide the hour of joy there. Riley makes a choice. Let's see. This place is a prison. I don't know what I thought it'd be, but it wasn't this. I mean, what did I do wrong? They made me into this, and put me in a cell. There must be hundreds, maybe even thousands of others here. How could this happen? There's no food here, only the bodies, and I refuse to eat them. The train, that's the train. That's what takes fuck. The train, that's what takes everyone here. The conductor is dead, but he has a key that makes the train move. I don't know if there are people elsewhere or if they intend to come back here with more like me. I'll take the key, make sure no one else can come here. I'll put it where no one can find it. I don't know how little or how much my life mattered, but I can do this. This one thing, maybe it will save someone, anyone, even just one person. That would be enough. Nobody else should hear what I've had to hear inside this place. Nobody else should know hell like this, or the demons that live here. What's important? That I helped someone the way I wanted to someday when I thought I was adopted. That my life mattered somehow. Why? So that so that I'll know where I go now, hopefully to my parents, that I fulfilled a little of what I said I would, and made life just a little better for someone else, even if this place took everything else. Hvil Frederik Riley, så prøv lige vent lidt. Auf der Heide Übenkleide strube dig. Fucking Hitler. Okay, så vi skal i hvert fald helt klart derop. Det er også noget jeg kan huske som i det her i sådan chapter 1, sådan med Huggy Wuggy, at der var en der hed sådan en der hed Stairway to Hell. Vil det sige det Stairway Hell han hernede til? Havde havde dem der lavet Puppet Play, som havde lige lavet sådan ting hele den her spiller ud sådan fra starten. Så med the prototype og alting. Og undskyld. Er det Riley det der? På hvis det er Riley, så er jeg ked af det. Tag lige nøglen. Det her tape, det hedder Break Time.
Hey, Cole.
Hey, Norm.
2 o'clock, huh? Best time of the day.
Yeah.
So, what block are you again?
North.
Can't say I hear much about that one.
You wouldn't.
High security?
Highest security.
Cushy. No, we get in the east. Toys banging on the walls, crying for their parents, their counselors, whatever. It goes all day and night, and it just wears on you, you know? I'd kill for a little security. And quiet.
Right. Right. Know what we get in the North? Things. Whatever they aren't people anymore. Their cells might as well be cages. They are animals. Sick. Twisted. Just instincts and anger. That's all that's left of them.
Sure, but at least then it's not like yelling at your own kids for them to be quiet, though, you know? I mean, if you had to listen to them... Oh, great.
So much for our 2 o'clock.
Yeah, we really do have it rough, don't we?
Hey, det er sådan en JOB ansøgelse herinde. Jeg ved ikke om jeg har lyst til at gå derhen. Nå, fuck det, whatever. Jeg kan bevæge mig. Nå. Lad os se, hvor det tager mig hen.
Now what's this? Do I feel something squirming its way beneath my skin? An invasive foreign little germ. After all this time? Ah, but I see. You. Well, little germ, let's make a game of you. If blundered along the shadows above, and only managed to squirm all the way down here by the barest skin of your teeth, there are no shadows here that will be of use to you. Not even the ground beneath your feet is yours. There are no places you can hide. Not from me.
Okay, so the doctor, no wait, monster reference, oh, the fuck var det? Undskyld, fister. Er det ham her, der døde for vores sønner? I kinda pose. Oh, der er et... Jeg skulle lige sige, nu kom der et eller andet der, sådan noget, for lige kappet min blodhånd af. Jesus Christ. Luk når der er det helt. Røvhul. Oh. Idioter. Kan jeg ikke... Jeg vil prøve at gå herhen så. Få en rød hånd. Prøv at se at få en rød hånd tilbage. Oh my god, please. Det her, det er den der, er ikke den her Riley, hun var inde i. Der er et hul i, 2 sekunder. Det er der op, jo. The fuck er det? What the fuck er det? Og en flashlight.
The subject scrambles for an advantage. They appear lost and disoriented.
Oh.
Heavy breathing is indicative of fear.
Hey.
Rightly so. Let's test the response to said fear when pushed.
Au, for satan. Oh, quick shot. Au, au.
I've seen enough. Thank you. May proceed.
Hvad var pointen med det der, mester? Røvhul. Hvorfor er den der åben? Luk det lort. What the fuck er det der?
The name's Yarnaby. Would you
Yeah.
wanna be my friend?
Oh. Yarnaby, wanna be my friend. Hold kæft. Prøv at spille autist eller hvad for noget? Cell.
Press the button to brush my mane. Brushy, 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 brushy. Wow. Yarn's I glad to have a friend
Oh
like
my.
you. Get it? Because I'm made of yarn? Yeah, you get it.
Desværre, ja.
Without someone like you to love, why, I think I'd just come apart at the seams.
Og det var faktisk ret wholesome. The fuck? Sluk det lort.
The name's Yarnaby. Would you wanna be my friend?
Nej, okay. Hvad skete der lige for den der sidste fucking... Den der musik i slutningen, fucking... Jeg synes ligesom den der ene by der i der ene Pokémon-spil der, som fik folk sådan, hvor du lavede creepypasta og børn der dræbte sig selv på grund af at det var så creepy. Ollie igen. Bro, Ollie bare cut det ud. Det er ikke det værd at snakke mere. Hvad fuck er det her? Cole, det skulle du have ham der for den der, det der ved tape der. Reassignment, Old Cole isn't a resource extraction specialist anymore. He's a shelf keeper, basically a prison guard. I don't know how to feel about that. The letter they sent me seemed nice enough, commending me for fixing their mistakes. I should be grateful, I suppose. But I know I'll wake up tomorrow and the reality will hit me as it has every morning since the incident. My friends are gone. Dozens went in to clean up their mess, but only a handful came back. That guilt ate me up, probably always will. Those of us left got a pat on the back for doing what was expected and were promptly dropped into whatever new role playtime could find for us. Me, they put me they put down here with them, the things that killed my friends, that would kill me too if they had their way. I've sat alone in my apartment for countless nights now, thinking it all through. The faces of my friends and my coworkers, their families, they all come to me, and in the morning I'm there with the monsters who killed them. Maybe I'm exactly where I need to be. I can make sure they stay down here, in the deepest, darkest hole imaginable, right where they belong. Okay, så de har bare apartments hernede. Sindssygt mester. The fuck er det? Så det er jo helt klart den der. What the fuck?
Oh God! No! 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 No!
Watched us. No, watch me whip.
Doctor! Doctor! What's going on? What's happening? It's...
Yes. Yes, I can hear it. They've staged quite the rebellion. Remarkable. 1006.
How could this happen? There's fail-safes, security measures. It's impossible.
Personal agendas have long been the downfall of this company. Is it unreasonable to believe they were conspirators? Playtime is filled with vipers and backstabbers.
But without executive access, how could anyone even get through? Lathe, Stella, Eddie, only the four of us have that kind of clearance.
Does any of that matter now? It's your life we have to protect. You have executive access.
For all the good it does me, opening a door at a time won't get me to the exit. Not with those
things everywhere. You didn't see what I saw. You didn't see the trail of limbs down the hall. Didn't hear the things eating. The wet crunches of bones. God, There is something you can do, Warden. I can help you. How? You're stuck in there. You can't... My body's here. Sure. But my mind... What? The Omni Hand. If you give it to me, I can get you anywhere. I'll have control over everything. I can shut some doors, open others. I can make you a pathway that leads right to the exit. I don't know. If you want to wait to get torn to pieces, that's your prerogative. But look at your immediate options, Warden. What choice other than this gets you out of here alive? I'm giving you the tool. Just get me out of here. Please. Of course. You've made a smart decision, Warden. I promise I'll get you out of here safe and sound.
Ja, jeg kunne vide, hvad der kom til at ske med The Warden. Han blev lige efter det der. Men de Omni-Hand. Omni-Man, where is he? Bro, kan vi overhovedet sådan... Vi kan ikke beskytte det her firma her længere. Hvad har det her med et legetøjsfirma at gøre det her? Den her kæmpe fucking dør. Ja, det her fucking fængsel, mand. Oh. Uh. Ooh. Never in control. Jeg skulle lige gave. Okay, hyggeligt. Jeg skal ud herfra. Jeg skulle lige til at sige, hvis den her dør der er den lukket. I det jeg det er det egentlig sådan eneste sted, jeg faktisk har set nogle spil det her.
Don't fight. Fighting will
Oh, very good. Huh. Oh, vi kan ikke være hernede, okay. Men vi finder os en weekly checkup 1424. Den 21. 1995. Subject 1424. Original procedure date januar 95. 1995. Reasons for observation: disorganized behavior, thought disorder, confusion, memory loss, catalepsy. The fuck a catalepsy. Subject has only fleeting moments of true awareness, though physically capable of speech. 1424's speech is incoherent, mumbled, and rare. Furthermore, will rarely will rarely respond to any questions or commands directly, seemingly disconnected cognitively from the surroundings. Subject's catatonic state is accompanied by catalepsy. Again, catalepsy, a condition which of muscle, uh, causes loss of muscle coordination and rigidity of the body. For example, when in this state the staff raise one of the subject's limbs, subject will not lower it or even seem aware of the stimuli. Subject will eat food. Subject will eat if food is placed directly in the mouth and will occasionally respond if called by the birth name. This is rare, though this is rare. Conclusion: the exact cause of 1424's symptoms remain unknown, but were present immediately following the original procedure. No change. To be filled by department head. Transfer destination department. Okay, så rip den personal profile. What? 1166. Be assigned position. Pending ED 1166. Behavior. Characteristics for these early ilk. 1166 demonstrates the acute lack of higher cognitive function, complex reasoning, speech, problem solving, and greater introspection. All appear either severely limited or altogether non-functional. Physically, it's what it needs to be: strong, agile, swift, and yet I'd hoped for a greater mind behind it. However, however, 1166 displays an odd sense of loyalty to a select few security staff who nauseatingly feel some kind of sympathy for it, in indicating of domestic dogs and cats. This means it will and can be bent. It feels, it fears. I believe this is our first sign of progression, that our processes, while admittedly still rudimentary, are showing us where we where more work need to be. Or I believe this is our first sign of progression, that our processes, while admittedly still rudimentary, are showing us where more work needs to be done, and that improvements are possible. Still, 1166 Yanabi is an odd, funny little creature. The way it sits in the corner and watches me playing its funny little music, I'm glad that this request was taken seriously. I got a good laugh out of it. It amuses me. Damn. I'm going to isolate it. It'll have contact with no one but me. Considering my importance to the project, it's doubly important that I'm probably protected at all times, and besides, I might get a good laugh or two at the pathetic little sounds it makes. By the time I'm done with it, I'll be its entire world. It'll know nothing else. Signature Dr. Harley Sawyer. Okay, så ham her Dr. Harley Sawyer, han er et fucking svin. Um, uh, jeg ved ikke helt, om jeg vil selv redde det der dyr, der er der på, men fortjener heller ikke at blive tortureret.